Okay, sir.
Good morning, student. The last class I took in the Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, and the Western Ghats continuous chains, Eastern Ghats discontinuous chains. The Western Ghats, most of the rivers originated in Western Ghats and flow into the Bay of Bengal. And next topic, Peninsula Plateaus. Here is Peninsula Plateaus can be classified two parts. One is Central Highland, another one is Deccan Plateaus. So the Central Highland, four types of the plateaus are found. One is Mala Plateaus located in the north side, bounded by Aravalli ranges. Next one is Bandalgan, Pahalgan, and the Chota Nagpur Plateaus. The Chota Nagpur Plateaus is most of the mineral resources located in the Chota Nagpur Plateaus. And in this plateaus, mainly for northern part. In southern part is Deccan Plateaus. The Deccan Plateaus is a triangular shape. The Deccan Plateaus is a largest plateau regions. Is a largest Deccan Plateaus. The Deccan Plateaus largest plateaus in regions. For example, here mentioned here. So Deccan Plateau. These are Peninsula Plateaus. Peninsula Plateaus. So next, Deccan Plateaus. This shape is here Deccan Plateaus. So Deccan Plateaus, the triangle shape. Deccan Plateaus, triangle shape, located in the north south side. Located in the south side, Deccan Plateaus. The bounded by the one is Western Ghats, another one is Eastern Ghats. So Western Ghats continuous chains, Eastern Ghats discontinuous chains. Rajmahal Hills, Vindhya ranges, Satpura ranges. So bounded by Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Rajmahal Hills, Aravalli ranges, Satpura ranges, Vindhya ranges, and Kanyakumari. This shape is the mainly for triangle shape. Mainly for triangle shape. Yes, largest part of the plateaus in the regions, roughly the triangle shape. Largest part, so largest part in India, and roughly in the triangle shape. Roughly in the triangle. This shape is called a triangle shape, and is the mainly for one side of the triangle joining Kanyakumari. One side. Mostly the three side, one side, seven side, third side. So one side joining the Kanyakumari. This is called Kanyakumari region. Kanyakumari. One side is the Kanyakumari with the Rajmahal Hills. Lines passes through the Eastern Ghats. So one side joining the Kanyakumari. Line passes through the Rajmahal Hills. This is the Rajmahal Hills in the Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats. So next one is, and the second marked by the Satpura ranges. First one is Kanyakumari. Second marked by the Satpura ranges. Yes, first one map top in Vindhya ranges. Second one is Satpura ranges. So the Satpura ranges and the Mahadev Hills, and here is the Mahadev Hills, Maikala Hills, and the Rajmahal Hills. So in second part, the covered in the four ranges. One is Satpura ranges, Vindhya ranges, Mahadev ranges, Maikala ranges, and Rajmahal Hills. And the third part, the third marked by Western Ghats. Here is mentioned the Western Ghats. So the Western Ghats in the west side, the areas of the plateaus of 7 lakh square kilometers. So these areas, the Deccan Plateaus areas, that totally 7 lakh square kilometers. 7 lakh square kilometers. The height ranges from the 500 to 1000 meters. The height ranges. So for example, mountains 500, 1000 meters, 1500 meters. So average the height for the 500 to 1000 meters above the sea levels. So mostly mention the height based on the above the sea levels. Next topic, so the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. So Western Ghats starting from the next topic, Western Ghats. Western Ghats is continuing chains. Western Ghats, the continuing chains. The starting from the Narmada river in the north to Kanyakumari in south. So Narmada rivers, Western Ghats, continuing chains. The Western Ghats starting from the Narmada river in north to Kanyakumari in south. The western edge of the Peninsula Plateaus. The western edge of the Peninsula Plateaus is the Peninsula Plateaus. The western edge of the run parallel to Arabian Sea. So Arabian Sea. Yes, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean. Run parallel to Arabian Sea, and the northern part is called a Cyclis. So northern part, here is mentioned the northern part. The northern part is called a Cyclis. So the Cyclis height, the varies from the increasing from north to south. So north to south, the height not very low, and again in reaching south side increase. So north to south they increase the height, and Anaimuri is the short of the trade junctions. So Anaimuri is located here. Anaimuri is located. Is a trade junctions. Is a trade junctions of the Anaimuri ranges and Ottoman Hills and the Palni Hills. So three junctions are and join in the Anaimuri mountains, reaching the Anaimuri Hills. One is the Ottoman Hills, another one is the Palni Hills. So important hill stations of these Western Ghats. One is the Kodaikanal is a beautiful hills. The race situated in these Palni Hills. So important hills. So one is the Western Ghats. Western Ghats is the continuing chains and run parallel to Arabian Sea and parallel to Arabian Sea. The junctions of these right junctions of Anaimuri ranges, Caravans and Palni Hills, Kodaikanal Hills. The resort situated in the Palni Hills. So next topic, the Eastern Ghats. The Eastern Ghats. So Eastern Ghats, discontinued chains. Eastern Ghats, discontinued chains. Western Ghats, continuing chains. Eastern Ghats, discontinued chains. The Western Ghats, here is Eastern Ghats. The Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats join in Nilgiri. And the border of this between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The run from the southwest to northeast. So in Eastern Ghats, southwest to northeast. So this direction. So northeast. So the Eastern Ghats run from the southwest to northeast from the eastern edge of the Peninsula Plateaus. Is called a Purva-Thrace. And the Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats join the Nilgiri Plateaus. So Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats, they joining the Nilgiris. The bounded by this Karnataka and Tamil Nadu are not continuous like the Western Ghats. The rivers of the Mahanadi, some rivers, most of the rivers are originated in the Mahanadi rivers. So Mahanadi rivers and Godavari rivers, Krishna rivers, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, some of the rivers. So Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna, and Penna and Kaveri, the distracted this range of the many places. Distracted, so distracted is many ranges. So first one is the difference between the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. So Western Ghats starting from the Narmada river into Narmada river in north, Kanyakumari in south. Eastern Ghats starting from the Mahanadi river in the north, Kanyakumari in south. And channel one is Western Ghats continuous chains, Eastern Ghats discontinuous chains. The Western Ghats run parallel to Arabian Sea. Eastern Ghats not parallel to Arabian Seas. And the Western Ghats highest peak in the Nilgiris, Eastern Ghats peak in the Adaimalagiris, Mahendragiri, like that. So thank you. So difference between Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats.